Hello, yes, we're here. Hello, welcome to your next online video lesson with me, Teacher Morgan, and today it is Unit 4, lesson number 12. Okay, let's go full screen. Okay, now today, give me a minute. Where am I? Oh my god, it is taking so long. Okay, we're good. Okay, ready. Okay, now today, guys, we're going to do a page in the workbook. Actually, 2 pages in the workbook. Okay, so that's all we're going to do today. First, let's go over let's go over our occupations, just the spelling. We don't need to look at the pictures. I'm pretty sure you know the pictures by now. Okay, but the spelling, we have doctor, cook, teacher, nurse, bus driver, student. Okay, number 7, singer, dancer, farmer, vet, firefighter, and police officer. Okay, these are your 12 words from Unit 4. I'm sure you know these words by now, but hopefully you can still spell them, and you can still read them, and you understand them as well. Okay, so these are your 12 words from Unit 4. Okay. Where'd they go? Okay, here it is. Your English subject pronouns. Okay, we have I, you, we, it, he, she, and they. Okay, I when talking about yourself, you when talking to someone, we, someone you're with, a group you are with, it, a thing or an animal, not a person. He when talking about a boy, she when talking about a girl, and they when talking about a group that's over there. Okay, so there are your pronouns. Here are your 3 verb to be's. Am, is, are. We have your yes, I am not, am I. Okay, yes, no, question. Okay, is, he is not, is he? She is not, is she? It is not, is it? And now the R's. You are not, are you? Now the next one is a bit different. They are not, are they? And remember, they is more than one, so you need to add an S. Okay, and because it's more than one, no A. We don't need an A. Okay, now there's one more, and it is we are. So that's we are, then the no, we are not, and then the question, are we? Okay, so these are all of your sentences for Unit 4. You have your yes, you have your no, and you have your question. Okay, we have your 3 verb to be's, am, is, are, and you have your pronouns, I, he, she, it, you, they, and we. Okay, so you need to know what pronoun goes with what verb to be. Okay, now let's move on. Let's look at your questions. Okay, is he a doctor? Is he a cook? Is he a ... What's the answer? There's 2 answers. We have yes and no. So we have yes, he is. And we have no, he is not. And remember, is not, you can push together to make isn't. Is, not, isn't. Okay, next one. This time it's not a boy, it is a girl. So we say, is she? Is she a cook? Is she a doctor? Is she an elephant? Is she a ragged eye? What are the answers? There's 2 answers, yes or no. So you can say, yes, she is. Or you can say, no, she is not. Okay, remember if it's no, you have to put a not on the end. And then is not, push together, isn't. No, she isn't. Okay, next one. Are they? You've seen this one before. They, more than one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Probably more than that. Are they? What are the answers? 2 answers. Yes or no. Answer 1. Yes, they are. And answer number 2 is no, they are not. No, they are not. Because remember, if the answer is no, we have to have a not at the end. Okay? No, they are not. And again, are not, aren't. No, they aren't. Okay, and the last one is are you? Are you a doctor? Are you a student? Are you a nurse? Are you ready? What are the 2 answers? Yes or no? So answer 1, yes, I am. Because remember, you changes to I. So yes, I am. Okay, yes, I am. And no, I am not. Again, because the answer is no, we just put a not on the end. And with this one, we take I am, push it together, and we make I'm. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay, now contractions. Oh, what happened? Let's look at our contractions. Remember, with contractions, what you do is you take away the space, you push them together. Take 2 words is not, 2 words, you push them together, then you take away the O, and then you put in an apostrophe. Okay, now let's look at our contractions that we know. We know are not. I have a hair in my tongue. Okay, are not becomes aren't. He is becomes he's. I am becomes I'm. Is not isn't. She is she's. They are they're. Where are we? Oh, do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Okay, oh, any more? Yes, it is, it's. Oh, and what is? Oh, what is, what's. Okay, and I think you actually know, that is, that's, there is, there's. Okay, you know some of these. You are, your. I think you know that one. Okay, so these are your contractions. There's so many contractions for you. There's even more contractions than you can see on the screen. There's even more. But these are the important ones for you to learn. And look how many you know already. You know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know 10 contractions already. That's so good. And look how many more you have to learn. Okay, now let's get on with our workbook. It's time to look at the workbook. Today, we're looking at page 36 and 37. So let me check. Here it is here. Page 36 and 37. Can you not see? Okay, I'll show you on the screen. Here it is. Page 36 and page 37. That's what we're going to look at today. And I want you to do this for homework. Okay, so there's 4 activities, A, B, C, and D. And let's look at activity A. So what you need to do is you need to get your pencil, draw a line from the word to the picture. So let's look at the first one. We have dancers. Dancers. What number, what picture is dancers? Okay, and then can you draw a line from the word to the pictures? Just like this. So dancers, you draw a line to the picture of the dancers. Okay, and remember to use a ruler. Okay, so you get a nice straight line. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have farmers. That is farmers. Okay, where are the farmers? What number? You can see they are number 6. Here are the farmers. So can you draw a line from farmers to the picture? Okay, easy peasy, guys. So just draw a line from the words to the picture. And that's activity A. Let's look at activity B. So what we need to do, so look, number 1, look at the picture. Number 1 is singers. Okay, so can you copy? SINGERS. Okay, so copy the word singers. Now let's look at number 2. Number 2 is blank. So you need to think of the word yourself. So number 2, what are these? What is the job? What do they do? What is their job? They are police officers. Now remember, there are more than one. There's 2. So you need to add an S. Okay, remember to add an S. Okay, next one. Let's look at number 3. What do they do? What is their job? Well, they are dancers. Okay, so DANCERS, dancers. Okay, and remember again, there are more than one, so you need to add an S. And all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are more than one, so you always need to add an S for this activity. Okay, that's activity B. Just write the word that matches the picture. Next one. Okay, activity C, can you look and circle? Okay, so just circle the word. Is it are or is it aren't? Is it are or aren't? So are would be for yes, and aren't is are not. That's for no. Okay, so let's look at the picture. Is it they are firefighters or they aren't firefighters? They are not firefighters. Well, let's look at the picture. Are they firefighters? No, they aren't. So we say they aren't firefighters. They aren't firefighters. They are. Oh, next one. Okay, is it they are farmers or they aren't farmers? Is it are or aren't? Well, let's see. It is are, of course. You circle are because they are farmers. Are they farmers? Yes, they are. So you circle are. Okay, now can you do number 2 and number 3 by yourself? Circle are or aren't. And the last one, activity D, can you look and write? Okay, so we need to look at the pictures and then write the missing words. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Are dancers. Are dancers. Okay, now look at number 2. Now what word goes here? Because there are more than one. There's more than one, so we say are they dancers? Are they dancers? Are they dancers? And then can you write what is the missing word? No, aren't. They are firefighters. Okay, so what is the missing word? Okay, let's look at number 3. I'll help you with number 3. Vets. Okay, so it's the question. What are the missing words for the question? Well, we know it's more than one, so it's they. So what is the verb to be? Is it is they vets, am they vets, or are they vets? That's right, it's are they vets. Okay, so that is the answer. That is the question. Are they vets? Are they vets? No. Okay, can you write the missing words? Are they vets? No. Okay, I'm not going to tell you. Okay, but that is activity D, and that is all the work you need to do. So here it is, just activity A, activity B, activity C, and activity D. And then when you are finished, can you take a photograph of your work and send it to me on the Patai e-learning platform, and I will mark your work and I will put it in your score sheets. Anyway, that is us all finished for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Remember, next week is going to be the unit test. So it's extra important that you study. Make sure you know Unit 4. Make sure you are ready for the test. Okay, that's all I can do. Remember to speak English every